Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can create a drop down menu in your WordPress website. So you can easily create multiple menu and add it in different places. Like you can add the menu in the navigation bar, or you can add a menu in the footer section. So let's check how you can create a multi drop down menu in your WordPress website. So for this you have to go to your WordPress dashboard and here click on appearance section and then click on the menus. So here you can create different menu. So as you can see, I have already created a primary menu. So let me just create a new menu. So for this you can click on this option, create a new menu. But before that, let me just show you how you can unlock different functionality in the menu. So for this you have to click on the screen option, and here you can select post, pages, custom link or categories, or you can even select the link target or CSS class. So if you turn on the link target, then you can open the menu in a new tab. So let me just close this and let's create a new menu, and I will name it like secondary menu, and I will select the option secondary. Now let me just click on create menu. Now the secondary menu is selected. So now you can switch between primary menu or secondary menu. So here the secondary menu is selected. Now you can add different menu. So for this you have to use this left sidebar option. So here you can directly add different pages. Like if I click on about us page and click on add to menu, it will add the about us page in the menu. So let me just click on contact us page and newsletter page to this menu. Now you can adjust the position of the menu. So if I want to move the contact us position to the above, then you can simply drag this contact us button and select this. Now you can add different post. So I don't use post in menu, and here you can create a custom link. So let me just add a custom link of blog, and here you can add the link. Like I will leave a link as and click on add to menu. So the blog is added. So let me just move it to the top, and here you can add different sub menu. So let me just create a sub menu 1, and here you can add a link and click on add to menu. Now the sub menu is added. So you can simply drag this and drop it just below the block. So if you add this in this way, then it will show in a new menu, and if you just drag it to the right, it will add it under the block. So let me just create another sub menu 2, and let me just add the link and click on add to menu. Now you can drag this sub menu just below the sub menu 1. Now let me just save this, and let's click on manage with live preview. So now you can set the position. So let me just select to primary, and as you can see, the menu is changed in this header navigation. So we have added the block, and we have created two sub menu 1 and sub menu 2 under the block. Or you can also add another layer. So let me just click on add item, and here I will select the option category, and let me just add the WordPress category here, and I will add the blogging category and SEO category. Now I will move this to sub menu 2. So just add it like this, and let's add the blogging just under the WordPress, and let me just click on add item. And as you can see, under sub menu 2 you will see these 3 options. So in this way you can nested different menu under a sub menu. You can also nested the WordPress just under the SEO. so that when you hover over this SEO, it will show the WordPress in the SEO option. So in this way you can adjust your menu in your WordPress website. So let me just close this so that it will not show in the front end. Now you can select different menu. So let me just click on secondary menu, and here you can delete this menu. So let me just delete this menu. Okay, now the secondary menu is deleted. Let me just close this, and let me just refresh this, and as you can see, the menu is not changed in the front end because we have deleted the secondary menu. So in this way you can create different menu, and you can also create different menu for desktop and different menu for mobile. So just create a menu for desktop and select the primary option, and then create another menu and just select the mobile option. So you have to uncheck the mobile option from the desktop and create a new menu and select the mobile option. So if you want to manage the header section in Kadence theme, then you have to go to the customize section, and here you have to select the header option. So here you can adjust the position, and as you can see, we have added the primary navigation. So if you have created any other custom navigation, then you can add it like that. So you have to just drag the secondary navigation like this and add it here, and here you can delete the primary navigation so that it will add the secondary navigation in this position. So I will add the primary navigation here. Okay, now it is looking right. You can also add button if you are using Kadence Pro theme, but if you are using free theme, then you can add button by following this guide. Just search for navigation button in the channel search bar, and here you will find this video. So in this way you can add buttons using the free Kadence theme. I hope this video help you how to create a menu in WordPress and create different sub menu and drop down menu in WordPress. And if this video helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any other doubt regarding WordPress, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to help you with that. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.